Hello again. So today we have another Lenovo laptop. Came in for repair. As customer said, he was working on the computer normally. Then suddenly it turns off. As we can see, when we press the power button, it comes on for a while, then off. So let's see what the problem. So we open the laptop. As we know so far that the laptop power comes on and off, or the power LED comes on and off for a moment. That means we have a 3.3 volts coming out. What we should see, or what we should check, if there is any short after one of the coils. So we're gonna test them one by one, okay? First thing we should do is remove the power. Disconnect the power. So I remove the battery. Okay. And let us check. As I said, every coil in the board. We put the meter in diode mode. Here's ground. And let us begin. The power, the screen, it's normal. It's 0.014, it's normal. That's the VGA over here. Here, processor, oh sorry, you can see. Here the processor, 0.12, normal. 08 normal, 0087 normal. Here is normal. Here is normal. Oh, there we have it. There we have it. 000. On this coil we have shorts. So we're gonna work on it and we'll see what's wrong with it. In these laptops, there's something good in it. There we have a circuit. As per the schematics, this circuit is responsible to get us 5 volts over here. So, which means the 5 volts rail is shorted. Let us see if the problem is from the chip or the outside. So first we're gonna move this jumper and we'll see what will happen next. Now let us test it. I separated the jumper Now this 5-volt circuit is apart and the 5-volt rail is separated from the power supply. So if I put the probe and the second on the 5 volts power rail, let's test it. We don't have short anymore. As you can see, there's no short. If I touch the capacitor, that means we have short. So we have problem in this area. How can I know if it's not a capacitor or the problem is the IC by itself? I can apply 5 volts from or less, maybe about 4 volts from a power supply. Let me grab some alcohol. Let us test this. Let us test those capacitors first. As you can see, this capacitor is getting warm faster. Whoa, too much. Oh, you see, the short is out. So let me apply or install some kind of new capacitor. turn on. First, it is. We have turn on light. Okay, and we have a picture. The laptop turned on again. Great. Now after the laptop is turned on, you can see it is charging. Laptop has password. I don't have it. But at the end, the laptop is turned on. It's working normally fine. Of course, the hard drive is very slow. Customer should replace it. We'll talk to him about that. And that's it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time with another job. Bye.